Hello everyone, this is Mihaela from Axway. Let's dive into what's new in this Flow Manager July release. First, you can promote in bulk. With just a few clicks, you can now export multiple templates and subscriptions, which will speed up the promotion process. Prior to this improvement, you only had the option to export a single template or a subscription. Besides the promotion via REST APIs, Flow Manager provides a controlled process using the user interface to promote subscriptions and templates between the pre-production and production environments. The promotion in the user interface allows you to manage changes that may be needed between these environments, such as the use of different products or different naming conventions. Let me show you what this means. As you can see in my Flow Manager environment, I have multiple templates and as well as multiple subscriptions created. So now if I go to the promotion section, you will notice two options, import and export. For starters, we're going to export some templates. As soon as I clicked on the export option, I was prompted with the list of templates, and in the second tab I have the list of subscriptions. From these lists, I can select the objects I wish to export. After the selection is done, the only thing I need to do is to click export, enter an encryption password, and hit export again. So now that the exported file is ready, I can go to the other Flow Manager environment that I have. And this time I will be using the import option. I'm browsing for the file I just exported. I need to enter the decryption, the exact decryption password I used previously. Select the units I wish to add these objects to. Tags are optional. And when I click next, in this view, I can see the list with the objects I am trying to import, and in the second tab I have their dependencies such as the products, the communication profiles, and so on. What I need to do now to finalize this import is to fix the errors. For example, this situation here happens because the product I selected in the templates or in the other environment does not exist on this environment. I just need to replace it with an existing one. Hit save. And now click on import. Success. If I go to the templates list, I see my templates here. Next, LDAP role mapping. Flow Manager already offers support for access management based on LDAP. To facilitate the Flow Manager access management administration, you can now map multiple LDAP groups to existing Flow Manager roles and within multiple Flow Manager units. Once you had your identity stores set in place, all you have to do is to go to Organizations and add an external organization like this. External type, choose the identity store, and here is where you do the mapping for each Flow Manager role. For example, for the first one, you have to search for the groups you wish to select. And once your selection is done, you select the units you wish to map to. Just hit save and you're done. And finally, RPM delivery mode is now general available. Flow Manager's new RPM package delivery mode is now in general availability. This Flow Manager RPM package is a software delivery mode for Linux distributions, specifically Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. A further enhancement is that you can install Flow Manager as an active-passive deployment in production environments. Our final note on the RPM package is that we are currently working on documenting the migration from central governance to an RPM installed Flow Manager, so stay tuned for more on this topic. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.